In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Studio dark mode. So if you're new here, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So just make sure you're signed into your Google account and open Google Chrome and make sure it's in desktop site mode by toggling that on. That's the desktop site tick there. Put that on. Yes, when you put that on, yes, this video is going to be quite a little bit small, so make sure you put the video mode landscape so that you can see this video clearly and how to do this very well. So look up there in the icon corner, tap the icon of your account, then you will see appearance. Then you tap on appearance, then select dark mode. On selecting dark mode, it will change automatically to dark mode, just like that. So hit the like button if you picked this value in this video, and thanks for watching. See you next time.